working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
I just bought these individual lash extensions. It's a little kit by Salon Perfect. It was like probably about $7 at Walmart. It comes with the lashes, some tweezers, and then the glue and remover. So I just decided to try this because I don't know, I just feel like trying some lash extensions. But yeah, I just wanted to get some cheap ones and DIY it. But I'm thinking about, I don't know if I want to use these ones. I kind of just wanted to buy the glue by itself, or like the there's like the Ardell brand. I didn't see that, but I didn't see the glue sold by itself or anything. But I'm kind of thinking I want to do more like these type of lashes. Yeah, and just cut these up. I don't know, I kind of want them to be a little bit thicker, but like kind of bold, like, so I don't have to wear mascara. But at the same time, I want them to look kind of natural, so I don't know. These just look super thin, so I don't know. But I think I'm gonna try it with these. I have a few pairs of them though. These ones are really wispy like, and they're really long looking, but I don't know if I want to use those ones right now. Yeah, I have a few pairs because these were like sent with the Sassina hair. These ones are, I think these ones are more bushy. Yeah, I don't want them to be too dramatic, but and I think they're supposed to be mink lashes. I don't know if they're probably like synthetic mink lashes though. I don't know. No, I don't even know. I don't know. But these ones have like a really natural look, but I don't know. Yeah, so yeah, and this is not going to be a tutorial or anything right now because I'm just experimenting, because this is the first time I'm really doing this. And then the thing is too, I kind of want to use these because like I have all these pairs of lashes and I don't wear them because like I don't know, when I tried to put on lashes, like regular lashes, and it's too hard. Like it's too much of a struggle and hassle, so I just said to hell with them, and then that's why I just don't really bother with them. But I think my natural eyelashes are pretty long anyway, so I think my natural lashes are already pretty decently long anyway. Especially when I put mascara on, they really, you know. But I just kind of want something even like a little bit more poppin'. Don't mind my pimples. So I ended up just using the individual lashes because I had a hard time with the strips. And this is how much is left. So today's Tuesday. It's been a few days. It's been a few days since I put these eyelashes on. I put them on Friday, and so it's been, yeah, it's been a good few days. So yeah, I didn't show you what they look like right after putting them on, but I don't know, because I didn't feel like filming. I spent like, what did I spend, like 3-4 hours trying to get these things on. This is the first time ever putting these on, so it seemed like they weren't sticking, like every time I try to put it on. So I don't know, I guess basically it's like once you put it on, you gotta just leave it alone, because it takes a minute to completely dry to where it's like not gonna go anywhere, I guess. But it's trial and error, you learn. I mean, yeah, I watched a ton of videos before doing this to get the idea, but it's like, in videos they make it look so easy, like they just stick it in the glue, stick it on, boop, move on to the next one. I'm like, the fuck, like I had to keep starting over because it seemed like they kept like coming off, and then I'm like, I don't know, but they stayed on. So far, all right, yesterday a few of them did come out, and then I just put a couple back on today. But I don't know, this is how so I think they came out pretty good. I like them. Actually, they look longer than they looked when I first put them on, and I think that's because my natural eyelashes have grown out of it. So I don't know if you can see, but if you can see where they're connected, you could probably see the glue and stuff too. Is there enough light in here? I glued them on underneath because that's the way it's supposed to look more natural, and the glue that it comes with is the clear glue. So I don't know, you could probably see. But yeah, my natural eyelashes have grown out a bit, so I think that they look longer. So yeah, I think I want to do them again because I like them. I like the look of the natural lashes. I mean, I like the look of just having lashes. Even though my natural eyelashes are pretty long, and I've been working on trying to get them to grow even longer. I've been putting like castor oil on them every night, and I think they've been growing faster than usual. But I still wanted to try the lash extensions, but yeah, I think I like them, so I think I'll try to do them again. I think next time I'm gonna try to get some black glue if I can find some. I'm gonna get the black glue because that way when it dries, or you won't really see the clear glue kind of turns a little bit white, so you might be able to see it a little bit. Or just, I don't want it looking like my eyes are crusty. but yeah, so far, like yesterday only like a few came off, but the day before that I took a shower because I had a migraine. When I have migraines, I try to take a really hot long shower because sometimes it helps. And then what I do is turn the shower setting so that it kind of comes out like a mist spray, and it feels really nice on my face. So I just stand there and just let the mist go in my face and, like, you know, breathe in the steam and everything. I think it kind of helps with my headaches. It just, like, the way the mist feels on your face, it's almost like, I don't know, it just feels like a nice massage on your face. Like the little I don't know, like just all the little droplets, the way they hit your face, it feels like a nice massage on your face. So I think it kind of helps a bit when I have a headache or migraine. The only problem is when doing that is if my hair is straight and I'm trying to, even though I try to wrap it up good, but it might still get frizzy from standing there like that for a long time. But anyway, it didn't make my lashes fall off. They still seem to be pretty good, but I don't know if that's why a couple of them did fall off yesterday. If it is because, I don't know if it is because some of the glue loosened up from being in the shower so long, but none of them loosened up like right away. Coda, look! Coda, look! Look, Coda, look! Coda, look! I thought I saw a squirrel in the plant. Anyway, so yeah, I just wanted to show you my lashes just because, I don't know, I'm kind of excited about them because I did them for the first time. And yes, I've already seen, you know, professionals will say that you shouldn't do them like this or whatever, but I don't know, like sometimes we're gonna DIY shit ourselves and we're just gonna do it anyway because, I mean, like, some people are DIY people and want to save money, and, you know, like, I don't know. You live and you learn. If something bad happens, then I learn what not to do and can do it better myself next time. Like, that's the way I see it. Shit. So yeah, sorry, this was not meant to be a tutorial. Sorry I didn't show you exactly how I put them on, but this was the first time ever doing them, so I wasn't trying to do like a video like that because I'm still trying to figure this shit out myself. So maybe when I get better at it, then I would do a video showing you how I get them, you know, once I master this shit. Anyway, but yeah, so far for getting them on the first time, I like them. And I did like longer ones on the outside and then tried to get them a little bit shorter on the inside, but yeah, like I said, they've grown out a bit too, so they don't look exactly the way they looked when I first did them. Like, they look longer, like they actually are sticking out longer. So, but like when I look at the base of my lashes, I could see where the falsies are glued, that they start a little further out now because, yeah, I think my eyelashes grow pretty fast, so I guess that's a good thing, right? My natural lashes, yeah. Anyway, alright, yeah, so next time I think I'm gonna try black glue. What's like the best glue? Well, I don't want something that's super expensive right now, but I mean, maybe like the Ardell black glue or something, but something that's gonna like last a long time. But yeah, and this glue, this is the clear glue. This is the Salon Perfect, which I guess is basically like a cheaper, the Salon Perfect kit. It's like the cheaper duplicate of the Ardell kit. It's like about $6 maybe like almost, yeah, about $7 at Walmart is where I got it. But it's about $7. I think the Ardell kit is closer to like $10, but I didn't even see that one there. But either way, I probably would have got the cheaper one anyway, especially if it's like the same thing. But yeah, so I felt like I just wanted to drop in and say hey to you guys, because I feel like I haven't made a video in a while. And you know, I haven't been, it's like I'm trying to do this YouTube thing, I'm trying to be consistent, but lately I know I've been slacking. And that's because sometimes like certain things, like my face keeps breaking out and I don't want to do like certain videos. I mean, this is in the process of healing, but my face like broke out with some more massive pimples. So I don't know, fuck my hormones. So I don't know, I'm working on my hormones. I don't know what's going on, why my hormones gotta be acting crazy, causing me to break out with making my face look all effed up all the time. So that's like not cool. Like I don't, you know, like, and I don't know, like this is not even normal for me to have these type of like big bumps up here. Usually my chin, that area is the problem, but I don't know, lately I've been breaking out with bumps up here. So these are in the process of healing and going away because they looked really bad before, and then that caused me to not do any videos. So I am behind on videos. There's like a few videos that I've been trying to work on that I actually even started filming weeks ago now, before we got that hurricane, or so-called hurricane. Well, for us it wasn't really in Central Florida. It was not really, it didn't really do damage, at least not in like the middle part. You know, Orlando's like right in the middle of Florida, so we didn't really get any effects. We got like a little bit of thunderstorm as it passed by, that's it. No power outage. But people that are like on the coast, more on the east coast of Florida, there was a lot of power outages for them, unfortunately. I think some trees fell down. And also, you know, some power outages on the coast of the Carolinas and Georgia and all that stuff. But yeah, but I guess we were fortunate though that we didn't get, you know, I mean, it still sucks what happened in the Bahamas, so like that's crazy, but I mean, yeah. Always chasing lizards. Coda is just living the life. Ah, bugs. All these little baby, ooh, there's a baby lizard. Coda, look, you missed it. It's a baby lizard over here. Oh, Coda, look. Where'd it go? There's a baby lizard over there. Ooh. Squirrel up on the power lines. These squirrels be getting zapped up on these power lines, yo. These squirrels be getting zapped. Squirrel. Look at this freaking squirrel. What are you looking at? Are you looking at me? Squirrel. Is the squirrel looking at me? Yo, squirrel. Yo, son. Get down off of there. Get down off of there before you get electrocuted. I was just thinking about this. You know what's funny is when I get a comment on a video, like a tutorial, and then somebody actually complains about something that I didn't mention or do in the video, which it ends up turning out that I actually did mention it or whatever in the video, and I'm like, comment, like, I'm thinking like, did this person even actually watch the video? And then I'm like, well, I get it, because, you know, I watch other people's tutorials too, especially when there's something that I'm trying to do or something I'm trying to learn how to do, or maybe I'm watching because I want to know more about the actual product that they're using more than the actual tutorial. So maybe I'll like, so I may skim through the video or not exactly watch the whole thing, but I would at least, if I'm going to skim through a video, I'm going to at least make sure that I can find the info that I was looking for before like commenting and asking questions or complaining that they should have, you know, did this or mentioned this or showed this in the video or whatever, because it might turn out that they did, and if you didn't actually watch the whole video to find out that they actually did explain it or showed whatever it is that you were looking for. So I'm just saying, like, sometimes I get questions or whatever on videos where it's like, I mentioned that in the video. It wasn't clearly in the video. But, and it's one thing someone asking a question, but it's just more annoying when somebody's actually gonna like type out a whole paragraph and actually complain and say, you know, well, you didn't do this and you should have showed this so that we can actually see the product and this and that. Like, first of all, I did show that. Second of all, do you check the description boxes? It's important to check the description boxes. Most people that make tutorials on things have all the info that you need to know in the description box. I'm just saying, most people do. I always put all the info. If I'm doing a product on like hair, I'm gonna put the info of everything, of the hair product, the actual hair that I'm using, the color, the length, all that. I mean, I show the packaging, but if you were looking to see all the details so that you can see what the info was on the packaging, I mean, sorry if I didn't show it, but I do mention exactly everything you need to know in the video. The length, color, plus it's in the description. Like, check the description. I type it all out in the description, plus put links to the actual product so you can see it. So if you're going to actually complain that, you know, I didn't show you the product, I should have did this and that, did you check the description box though? Or like say, or then they complain about something else that I didn't show of the hairstyle, and it's like, well, I actually did show that. Actually, if you skip to this part in the video, I showed it right there. It's like, so I don't know, I'm just saying, like, sometimes you might need to just sit there and just watch the whole damn video. I know some people's attention span is like very short or whatever, you know, and I get it. Like, all right, so I came inside because my battery died, so I had to change the battery. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so basically, if you're going to skim through a video, make sure you skim through it thoroughly. Make sure that the info that you were looking for was not actually in the video. And check the descriptions. Check the description box. Most YouTubers put the info of products in the description box. Links, everything. I usually do. I'm just saying. So before you get all frustrated and type up this big long paragraph of a rant going off on what was not in the video, when actually those things, all that info actually was provided for you in this video. Yeah, I get it. Some YouTubers, when they do tutorials, you feel like the tutorial wasn't thorough enough, like they didn't provide information or show what they needed to show, but sometimes they do, and sometimes you might have to actually just watch the video to find out, I don't know, before you start going off on what info was not provided. That's all I'm saying. Okay, so that's all I'm saying, and that was my little rant for you. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go. So I'm gonna see if I can get these videos filmed tomorrow and have them up soon. All right, so I guess that's it. Bye. Peace.
Bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. My bitch is bad and bullshit, bad. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got 30s and 100 rounds too. With the ruler, diamond cooler. This a rolling.